Hey guys, my name is Dollarama and welcome to my first video on my YouTube channel. And I'll be showing you guys in this video how I decorate my fall decor in my apartment. So let's get started. So the first thing that you see when you walk inside my house is a plate setup that I personally have done, and you guys, I'm so impressed and amazed with myself that I've done this because it's so pretty. And you know, with apartments, sometimes people don't have dining room tables because it doesn't really fit like mine. So I put this up on my kitchen island and it's just really perfect. It's very welcoming, it has a warm vibe, it has such a fall vibe to it as well. And I actually got the gold charger plates from Micheals, the black and white plates are from IKEA, and the pumpkin is from Dollar Tree, and the napkins from HomeSense. So I decided to do a coffee station this year in my kitchen, which I never do because I don't drink coffee at all. Shocker. I love tea, but my husband loves his coffee. But anyways, I was looking for the perfect black 3-tier stand, and I found just the one at HobbyLobby in Seattle. And I added my Ray Dunn mugs as well. And I also found these really nice like coffee mugs from HomeGoods, so I threw that in there as well. And I got this like wooden turntable, added that in the corner, added some coasters, some candles, some K-pods and whatnot to kind of get the whole look going. Some wooden letters I got from Micheals here in Canada, and I decided to place them on the counter, and obviously the letters stand for my husband's name and my name. And I got this orange rhinestone floral with a pumpkin as well from Dollarama, and I just placed it on top of the oven. And you guys, I've always wanted to have a candy station in my whole adult years, so I finally got this beautiful tall looking glass jar from HomeSense, and I placed it right there. And these two smaller glass jars, I've had them from before, and I just placed it with some candies inside. I mean, what's a fall home tour without Mrs. Meyer's? I think I've seen this in every YouTube video and I had to get me some. I got the Mrs. Meyer's dish soap and multi-surface cleaner in the scent of apple cider. And honestly, you guys, this smells so divine. It's insane. But that's not the only reason why I got it. I've got it because Mrs. Meyer's uses powerful, naturally derived ingredients that are gentle on our homes and the earth as well. So this stunning Hello Fall sign is from Micheals, so I placed it on my wall behind my end table, and this end table is from The Brick. And for those who live outside of Canada, The Brick is a Canadian furniture store. And I also got the white stand from The Brick as well, and I placed a pumpkin that says Harvest from HomeGoods, and the cute pretty like red truck is from Hobby Lobby, and I placed an LED candle on top of that. And the orange glass vase is from HomeSense, and take this in, you guys, it was $3. It was a win-win situation. And I placed these like white and burgundy velvet mini pumpkins from Hobby Lobby, and everything within it was from Dollarama. And I just kind of had fun and just kind of almost try to make it like a pumpkin floral type of vibe on top of the, or inside of the glass vase. So for those who follow me on my Decor Instagram page knows that I had made this black blanket ladder, and you guys, I'm still impressed with myself even though I made it about a month ago. It's so beautiful. It cost me less than $25 to make, which is amazing. I didn't have to break the bank for it. And I surrounded with some, you know, bigger pumpkins that I got from Micheals. The miniature sparkly pumpkins are from Dollarama. And I put some leaves around it to give it some, you know, oomph. And I want to be different because I didn't want to put a blanket. I wanted to put some pumpkins on it. And it just kind of gave it the whole like fall vibe, chic thing. Well, a manure thing, I guess you can say. These branches were from HomeSense, and I got it together as a bunch, and it was $14. And I actually got the leaves. Well, the leaves did not come with the branches, by the way, guys. I actually got the leaves from Dollarama, and I got these sparkly ones and a whole different assorted kinds of leaves. And I just got a hot glue gun, placed it on the branches, and just called it a day and placed it behind my TV. gray 5-piece modular sectional. It's actually from the brick. It's under the Scott Brothers collection, which I believe is called Scott Living, and it's so comfortable. The sofa is amazing. I got the ottoman with it. The Mongolian sheep fur throw pillows from the brick, the red orangish throw pillows from HomeGoods, and I actually made the buffalo print throw pillow, which I'm so happy. It just goes with the whole theme that I wanted to go for. This rug is so beautiful. Like, once I saw this on Wayfair, I knew I had to grab it. I forgot the name of it, but once I do find out, I'll put it down in the description box down below. And if you guys already guessed it, yes, this coffee table is from the brick. I wanted something low, made out of glass, and this was just it. But with this shape of a coffee table, I didn't know in terms of what I should put in the middle of it. So I found this glass vase from HomeSense, and I just filled it up with leaves from Dollarama and an LED candle in the middle. So once I've taken a shower and the house is like spotless and clean, I'm in this zen mode. Like, I just don't want to do anything. I just want to unwind. So what I usually do is pour myself a cup of tea, and I'll light up a Bath and Body Works candle because I'm in love with their candles. Anything from there is just, I'm usually just running just to grab anything from there and just buy it. Anyways, they take all my money. So I'll just like watch a movie or a show, and since I am a Harry Potter fan, like I'm a fanatic, usually I'll just pop up a Harry Potter movie from Netflix and just enjoy and watch it.
Why aren't you in a costume? I am. I'm dressed as Laurie Strode. Who? From the original Halloween movie.
I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I loved making it, and comment down below in terms of what you guys thought of this video, what you guys want me to do, and stay tuned for more videos to come. All right, take care guys, bye.